So how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today I just got this from Canada Post. Basically an easy notice saying that I got a package ready for me. If any of you remember, I just recently ordered a part that I was going to put on my 2020 Honda Civic Si. This was purchased by Garage 16. Shout out to them. I'll leave a link in the bio. If you're local, make sure to check out their showroom. It's gorgeous, and they also do curbside. Amazing customer service, and they also got a really nice website, so definitely check them out. But yeah, we're just gonna get right into this. Alrighty, so here is the package. As many of you guys might know, I don't like doing heavy modifications to the Civic at the moment. It is still my daily, but obviously with that being said, I like having fun with it. So I like to do the best I can while making sure it doesn't break down all the time. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this right open. And as you guys can see, this is by PRL Motorsports. And let's open her right up. So here it is, everybody. Here is my silicone intake hose that I got from Garage 16. Obviously manufactured by PRL Motorsports. It's definitely more solid built than I thought. And also you can see that it does not have the ripples inside and outside, unlike the stock OEM intake. And as you can see, it came with its little brackets. We might just use the OEM ones if they fit. Pretty sure they will. If we lose them, then hey, we got these. Also got this amazing little thank you note from PRL Motorsports as well. There's their website right there, and yeah. And as you guys see, we got about 20 horsepower worth of stickers right here from PRL as well. But nevertheless, let's get this bad boy on. So as you guys can see, this is the OEM intake hose right here. If we compare it, you can definitely see that there's going to be much smoother airflow with this one compared to this one. As you can see, it's got the ripples and everything. It looks a little bit smaller as well. So I'm really excited to get this on. What we're going to do first is that we're going to disconnect the air sensor. Then what you'll need, if you look closely, looks like you just need a Phillips screwdriver. And if you look carefully, you're going to need a socket as well to get these out. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, we finally got this out. Unfortunately, I couldn't get these out. They're a little bit stripped, so luckily they gave us some extra hardware. Honestly though, it's gonna look so nice once it's finally in there. Also, heads up, don't be like me and insert this before you put these clamps on, because that would actually suck. Alrighty guys, and we finally got it on. And no lights whatsoever. Still sounds the same. Definitely excited to see how it does on the road. So we'll be right back and get right to it.
6.5 hours later.
Alrighty guys, so it's a little bit later. Let me just show you the shape of this OEM hose. It's a pretty good design, obviously. You can tell that it does get a little bit of air restriction and a bit of a different flow with the ripples inside and out of it. Also in our notice, I have put my FKA Type R shift knob back on, but let's just get a better look at it while it's running. And there you guys go, as you see, it's right there. It's nice and snug. I'm not gonna worry about losing it or anything while driving, which is really nice. If any of you guys actually notice, it goes pretty well with the PRL battery tie down that I have as well for the car. It's really nice. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take it for a drive and see if we can feel any difference whatsoever. With the intake installed, these are estimated to have about a 3 to 7 horsepower increase. I think we're just gonna get about 2 or 3. I don't think we're gonna get too much, but that's okay, because it's something better than nothing. Alrighty, so let's see how this does, how it feels, how it sounds and everything. So we're just gonna do a quick little zip right here. You definitely feel something. It also mentions that it does it when you're at higher RPMs, so when you're doing like a highway pull, I'd say, or anything, you would definitely get that bit of boost right there. We'll do a quick downshift right here. Yeah, definitely a little bit better, I'd give you that. Of course, I'm not gonna fanboy over it just because it's a slight mod that you can do on a budget, but I definitely recommend this if you want to get something for intake work. There's also a drop-in filter that you can get by them as well, or you can just get a K&N one. Either way, yeah, it's good. If you're looking to get one of these, it's roughly about $60. Definitely recommend getting it. You guys probably noticed that I got the black one. They also have a red one as well. So if your Civic is, say, white as mine, and you want to do red, or say you got a red Civic as well, then yeah, I definitely recommend that one as well. But yeah, that pretty much sums up this video. I have another video coming up as well for the driven show going on in Mississauga at the Square One. So make sure to stay tuned. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. I'm definitely going to get to posting more as always. And yeah, until then, take it easy.